all, Neci Love Harmon here of What She Creating Enterprises, and today we will be working on overcasting with the Kenmore 385 series sewing machine. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the presets. All right, in order to do an overcast stitch with this machine, we'll be using stitch number 10. Make sure you turn your stitch selection dial to number 10. Okay, so that's A and then the 10. Our length will be 2 or a little bit between 1 and 2. And then the width will be 5. So let's do that. All right, so let's move on. Now, the purpose of an overcast stitch is to ensure that your seam finishes look amazing in the seam allowance. So I have some fabric here and we're gonna practice it and you'll see. So if you don't have a serger, which helps to finish the edges, then you can use this stitch in order to complete the task. All right, I'm gonna position my fabric on the 2/8 or 1/4 line. So I'm looking here. I want it to be very close to the edge of the fabric. And make sure I do my reverse stitch. And I'm doing 2 pieces of fabric so that you can see what it looks like if you have real seam allowances. Okay. And I think that this is beautiful because, you know, you don't have to cut the ends or whatnot. You can keep it as is if you sew it that close to the raw edge. This is the front, and then this is the back, which I did in a blue stitch. Very good. This is an overcast stitch using stitch number 10 of the Kenmore 385 series sewing machine. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our page, like us and give us a thumbs up. Send us video ideas and look out for our online course for content learning and continued learning. So excited that you came to see us today. Happy sewing.